Dropshipping is a popular business model that many entrepreneurs are turning to in order to start their own online business. It's marketed as an easy way to make money with little upfront cost, but is it all it's hyped up to be? In this video, we'll take a look at the good, the bad, and the ugly realities of dropshipping to help you decide if it's the right business model for you. We'll cover topics such as costs associated with dropshipping, the pitfalls of using dropshipping as your sole business model, and how to choose the right products to dropship. I have a full video explaining the TikTok ad strategy linked up above, as well as how to find successful winning product. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model which primarily ambitious young people flock to when trying to become the world's next millionaire. You find a product from a supplier's website such as AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. You can find alternative suppliers such as Zendrop, but these are the most popular. You take that product at $5, make a nice website so when people click on it, they think it's your own product. They then purchase and give you $40. You buy the product from AliExpress for $5, send it to the person that bought from you, and keep the $35 as profit. Many popular dropshippers, such as the Ecom King from YouTube, swear they can make millions with this model. They claim that they have a secret sauce when it comes to dropshipping, which makes them successful. However, the reality is that it's a very risky business model, and it should be approached as such. It should only be used to test products before investing heavily into them. Dropshipping is not an end-game goal or a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a lot of time and effort to ensure success. The good. Dropshipping is an easy and cost-effective way to get started with e-commerce. It requires no prior experience, and it can be done with very little startup capital. This makes it an ideal starting point for new entrepreneurs who are just getting their feet wet. Learning the ins and outs of dropshipping is also quite simple. There are plenty of tutorials available on YouTube and podcasts that can help you start up in no time. Even if you do run into any issues, there is a wealth of information available online that can help you get through it. Overall, dropshipping can be a great way to learn about e-commerce, test out products, and build an online store without having to invest a ton of money up front. With a low barrier to entry, it's definitely worth exploring for anyone who is considering taking the plunge into the world of e-commerce. The bad. Dropshipping has the potential to be a great way to test products, but it's not an in-game goal. It's important to recognize that the downsides of dropshipping before jumping into it. One of the biggest drawbacks of dropshipping is the amount of money you could spend before finding a product that actually makes a sale. With dropshipping, you're starting from scratch. You don't have any existing customers, you don't have loyal customer base, and you don't have any brand recognition. To make a sale, you'll need to start from the bottom and build up your marketing. This can take a long time, effort, and money, especially if you're trying to get your products in the front of the right people. Dropshipping also only teaches you the basics of business. There are so many aspects to running a successful business, from inventory management to customer service to understanding the psychology behind why people buy. If you only focus on dropshipping, you'll miss out on learning the larger scope of running a business. Furthermore, failure hurts in dropshipping. Unlike any other business where you can lose money but still walk away with valuable lessons and knowledge, with dropshipping, failure often means losing a lot of money without anything to show for it. This can be very discouraging and cause you to become frustrated with your business. Another downside of dropshipping is that it can teach bad marketing habits. Many new entrepreneurs take advantage of low quality tactics like copying content from other websites and using it as their own, or using someone else's images without permission. These habits will not lead to success in the long run and could even get your account banned. Finally, consumers can often buy the same product on Amazon and get it within the same day rather than waiting 2 weeks for shipping, or even 2 months if you're using AliExpress. This could hurt your sales and make it difficult to compete with large companies like Amazon. Finding a winning product is easier said than done, and many strategies for finding winning products are outdated and useless, so go to my one, which I have linked up above. Dropshipping can be difficult, and there is no surefire way to guarantee success. It is important to be aware of potential risks and challenges before getting started. In reality, there is no one-size-fits-all approach with dropshipping that will guarantee success for everyone. It is important to remember even the most successful dropshippers have faced losses and have had to learn from their mistakes. As well as any business venture, dropshipping can be risky, and it's important to be aware that before diving headfirst into dropshipping should not be seen as an endgame solution to making money, but rather as a way to test products and explore different markets. If you're willing to put in the hard work and be prepared to accept the risks, then dropshipping can be a great way to make money online. Just remember that if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.